So if you're like me, today you were working in a Google Doc, went to share it, clicked on the share button, and said, "What in the world is this?" After several years of it looking the same, Google has changed it. So the good part is nothing has changed about it in functionality. What's really changed is the way it's laid out. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys just where to find some of the things that you used to be able to find in the old version of the share screen. So we'll start here. Still works the same if you just want to share with individuals or with a Google group. You just type in their name right here. It'll give you the options for view and edit and all that sort of stuff. If you click on the gear, you have some additional options that were in the old version too, but you can take away the ability for people to share this document. So if you just want to share it, but you don't want them to add people to it or reshare it, you can do that. You can also take away here the ability for people to to download, print, copy. Totally up to you. Don't have to change these. Just know that they are there. That's pretty much this part. Same functionality as before. Enter the person who you want to share it with, their name, and then down here you just choose the view, edit, or comment access that you had. What is really different is this get link down here. So right now you can see it's restricted only to people who can restricted only people added can open this link. So that means that in order for someone to see this, they have to be added up here. To go back to the old ones that we had, we can go ahead and hit copy link. Oh, sorry, that's just going to copy the link. We can go ahead and hit change link to YPI charter schools. Now, right now, this is just the BERTs. Coming this summer, very soon, it will be all the schools in one. So when I do that, this is how it is, how it used to say, like, share only at people within coronacharter.org or romerocharter.org. And again, I can change things here where they can view, comment, or edit. And I have my link right here. If you want to share it outside of our schools and make it more public where someone doesn't have to log in, that's when you would use anyone with the link. And then from there, you'll see the little green globe. That means anyone with the link. Again, you have your options to make it viewer, commenter, editor. This gear doesn't really have much, but no, it's there if you want to do some stuff. Oh, wait, actually, you can't even do that now because it's public. Just kidding. Yeah, that people can search for it in Drive. That's about it. Totally up to you. So yeah, that's the new share screen. A little different, not too much different functionality, just kind of looks different. So I wanted to give you guys a quick little crash course in it. So you don't have the same freak out me and Mr. Ruiz did when we opened up a document today and said, wow, why does this look different? If you have any questions or need any help, you can always leave a message in YPIC's-help desk in Slack, and someone from the tech team will reach back out. Thank you.